Welcome to Flutter tutorial number 3, where we dive into the world of widgets, focusing on the differences between stateless and stateful components. These are the core building blocks that bring your Flutter apps to life, and learning them will give you a solid foundation for development. In our previous video, we explored Flutter's project structure and saw how the files and folders work together to create the foundation of your app. Today, we're moving a step further and diving into the fundamental building blocks of every Flutter application, widgets. This is where the real magic happens, because everything you see on the screen in Flutter is a widget. In Flutter, everything is a widget. From simple text and buttons to images and even layout structures, widgets are the core elements that shape your app's interface. They're highly customizable and interactive, giving you the power to design smooth, engaging, and user-friendly experiences. Widgets in Flutter are categorized into two main types, stateless and stateful. A stateless widget is static, making it perfect for displaying fixed information that doesn't change, like text labels or icons. On the other hand, a stateful widget is dynamic, meaning it can update and rebuild itself based on user interactions or data changes, which makes your app feel more alive and responsive. Stateless widgets are like printed posters. Once created, they never change. They're ideal for static content such as text labels, icons, and fixed layouts. Because they stay the same, stateless widgets provide a consistent and reliable user interface throughout your app's lifetime. Stateful widgets maintain an internal state that can change over time, automatically triggering UI updates. You can think of them like a digital scoreboard, updating in real time as things happen. They're perfect for interactive elements such as buttons, form inputs, and animated components that need to respond to user actions. When comparing stateless and stateful widgets, it's important to consider factors like state changes, performance, and memory usage. Stateless widgets are faster and lighter since they never change, while stateful widgets provide dynamic updates and interactivity, though they come with slightly more overhead. Choosing the right type ensures your app runs efficiently and smoothly. Choose stateless widgets for static content that doesn't need to change after being built, like app titles and logos. Opt for stateful widgets for interactive elements that respond to user input, such as forms and buttons. Start with stateless and switch to stateful when tracking changing data. Widgets are the foundation of Flutter apps, enabling everything from simple text to complex layouts. Stateless widgets provide a fixed UI, while stateful widgets offer dynamic updates based on user interaction or data changes. Understanding these concepts is crucial for effective app development. Coming up next in Flutter tutorial number 4, we'll explore layout widgets like row, column, container, and stack to create beautiful app layouts. Subscribe for more Flutter tutorials and continue your journey from zero to Flutter Hero.